we're going to try to get lesson 12C all into one. So 12C is a tile effect where we make it in, essentially we're making copies and tiles of the same words and moving them around. So let's click on the website link so that we can get to it so we can see what Photoshop Essentials tells us to do. Okay, again, we read through it. Make a new document that's 640 by 480 pixels, not inches, but pixels. File new. 640, 480, 72, 8-bit, white, that's all correct. Okay. What does it want me to do next? It says, alright, select D for the colors, set it to black, and then do Alt Backspace. Option Delete is on a Macintosh or an Apple. When you see those, remember that's what that is. We're using a window background, so it's Alt Backspace. So there it is, D on my keyboard, Alt Backspace fills the whole thing in black. Now we're going to add a text, and you're going to pick whatever text font, whatever color you want, doesn't matter. And we're going to type in digital. Okay, we can do that. Text color, just because I happen to like pink, I'm going to use a pinky. There we go. And I'm not even going to say digital, I'm going to say tiles. Okay. Page 2. Now we need a rasterized layer. How do you do that? Layer, rasterize, type. Layer, rasterize, type. If you will notice now, it went from being a text file to being a graphic file. Let me show you what I mean. So right now it's a text file. As soon as I go to Layer, Rasterize Type, it goes from text to a graphic. It is now a graphic, it is no longer text. Okay, so it says duplicate the text later, so that's Control J. And now we have two, tiles and tiles copy. Hide the original one. And then we're going to go to the filter menu, stylize, and 10 by 10 tiles. Filter menu, oops, hang on, turn off the first one, the original. Filter menu, stylize, tiles, 10 by 10. Okay, notice now we have that funky little white showing up here. I'm going to zoom in a little better so I can see. Now the book says to use the magic wand, select it, and hit delete. I personally would rather use the magic eraser and just pick the white areas that need to go away. Oops, I may need to zoom in a little bit more. If you're partially blind like I can be at times, zoom in, we can always zoom back out. Okay, it's just one more little area. Okay, let's zoom back out. Let's go to the next step. Okay, we've done that, we've taken it out. See, it says magic wand delete. We just used the magic eraser. It worked easier for us. Now you want to duplicate the original text layer. Move the digital copy to the top. And turn it off so that you can't see digital copy. You only see the first digital copy, according to this. And then make digital copy 2 also visible. So go into the original. Control J, or right-click duplicate layer. Either one works. Moves copy 2 to the top. Turn the eyeball on so you can see it. Pick the text, make it a lighter color, and rotate 90 degrees. Okay, how am I going to make it a lighter color? Let's pick slightly lighter. And image, rotation 90 CW. Repeat the filter effect. So filter, stylize, tiles. And then when you do it once, there's no D, select the filter again, so Control F. When this does, click it 2 times. So, okay, fine, can do. And let's stop this and go on to the next part real quick. Okay, let's go on to that second part for 12C. Alright, now, what we're going to do is we have got it flipped and rotated. We need to apply the tiles to it. So, filter, stylize, tiles. And I'm going to hit Control F again because what that does is that applies it a filter again. Notice now there's even more white. Repeat the process of removing white areas. Okay. Step 4. Make a digital copy of the original, turn it on, make it a lighter color, rotate it 90, and apply the same thing but 4 times. Okay, we can do that. Left click, Control J, move it to the top, turn it on, image, 90 CW, oh come on, cooperate. There we go. Fill it in. Filter, stylize, tiles, 10, and then Control F1, 2, 4. Magic eraser. Get rid of the white. Okay, next. It's upside down. Okay, we can do that. Duplicate the layer again, so we have 4. Rotate it a different color and apply it to it. How many times do we do it this time? 5 times. Alright, we can do this. Original layer. Right click, duplicate layer, or the Control J. Okay. Image. Rotate 90. 4 on top. Visual so you can see it. Pick a lighter color. Let's pick like a purpley pink rose. Fill. Blanc, 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 blanc. Filter. Stylize. Tiles. Okay, that's 1. Control F2. Control F3. Control F4. Control F5. Erase. Next. Looks kind of like that. 6. Repeat the process all over again. This time we are going to do Control F 6 times and erase. And ta-da, we should be done. Okay, we can do it. Go back to the original. Duplicate layer. Move it all the way to the top. Turn the eyeball in so you can see it. Pick another color of pink. So here's a baby pink. Fill it in. Image. Rotate 90 degrees CCW. Filter. Stylize. Tiles. Okay, Control F. So we did it once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6. Magic eraser. And you end up with something funky and crazy looking, something like this. That's it. That's tiles. Congratulations. That's how you do 12C.